Hi guys, welcome to Cryptoverse. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make money online. So if today is your first time of being in this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more important updates like this. So in this video, I'm not going to waste most of your time and I won't beat around the bush. I'm just going to go straight to the point. So to make money online, the method we're going to use today is cryptocurrency. So now I will show you how cryptocurrency has proven to be a very good method to make money online. So let's take a look at Bitcoin charts. Let's go to the yearly charts. You can see in this yearly chart that Bitcoin is up 300%. Now let me show you something. If you scroll back down to here, this was November 2020. Bitcoin was trading at $17,000 and right now it's trading at $64,000. What that means is if you have invested $1,000 or $2,000 by around November last year, right now your money will be 4 times higher than when you invested it. Even in the stock market and in the brokerage market, this kind of gains take years or sometimes even decades to come to reality. But here in cryptocurrency, you see these gains all the time. If you even want to go to a more resilient, you can bring the chart back to around April 2020. The price of Bitcoin was $6,700. Right about now is 62,000. That is almost 10x from April of last year to now. So you might be wondering that okay, cryptoverse, how do I make money with Bitcoin? Well, it's easy. All you just have to do is buy Bitcoin and hold. Don't sell. Buy it and hold. Over the years, it's going to appreciate. Over time, it's going to appreciate. Let's say you buy 100,000 naira or 20,000 naira worth of Bitcoin. It's going to appreciate over time because a lot of people are going to be discovering about Bitcoin, and when they discover about it, they are going to buy it. So you that came in early, you're going to be in profit. So that is one of the best way, if not the best way, to make money online in this era that we are. Leave all those clickbank and whatsoever. This is one of the most proven way to make money online. I don't want to beat around the bush and show you method that does not work. This method is proven and it works. All you just have to do is buy the Bitcoin and hold it for long term. And trust me, you're going to thank me for following this strategy that I show you. There are still other coins too that you can buy, but Bitcoin is the most safest of all. So that is why I use Bitcoin for this particular video. If you want to learn how to buy Bitcoin from exchanges, you can check my channel. I also have videos about that, on how you can buy Bitcoin and how you can hold Bitcoin and over the years make a very good profit for Bitcoin. You hear about people becoming millionaires, buying Shiba and all that. You too can become a millionaire by just holding Bitcoin in your wallet, just by holding some of your portfolio, by just putting them into Bitcoin. You can become a millionaire. So that is how to make money online in 2021. The most proven way, the most trusted way to make money online in 2021 is by investing in cryptocurrency. So guys, if you like this type of video, I'm going to be making a series about this, and I'll be showing you how. I will show you if there are other possible ways, legit ways that you can make money online too. So if you don't want to miss out on this type of video, make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.